So what are the best crypto prediction YouTube channels? This video is not financial advice, it's for educational purposes only. So here we go. If you're curious about where to start in crypto, with the crypto markets, where it's heading, you want to learn from the best crypto prediction YouTube channels to stay ahead of the curve. In this video, I'm going to show you the top channels that predict crypto trends and give you valuable insights into where the market could be going. So step one, you're going to start by watching Altcoin Daily. I'll put it in the description. This channel offers daily news and predictions about the hottest altcoins, giving you insight into what's happening next in the market. Okay? Step two, you're going to check out DataDash. This channel shares in-depth market analysis and predictions. It's perfect for understanding the big picture of crypto, okay? So, step three, follow the moon, okay? Not the actual moon, the moon channel for even more detailed crypto predictions and price breakdowns. With his expert opinions, you can start making more informed decisions about your crypto investments. And by following those channels, you're going to get a better understanding of the future of crypto and be more prepared for what's to come. These experts know the market and their predictions can help guide you, all right? Now, by the way, if you're not one of the 100 million people on crypto.com already, open an account through my referral link in the description because we could both get rewarded nicely. And then you could do the same thing with other people.